And now, introducing a brutally honest review of the Ritz-Carlton Coconut Grove in Miami, a hotel known for its uncompromising standards and exceptional service. I always mention Ritz-Carlton Coconut, that's how you know, in Miami, and I have made the decision to visit all of these Ritz-Carlton hotels in the entire Miami region, and now I am in one that is more of a business area. So here are the business travelers already. Do you notice? And what I really like is that they have this additional card for ambassador members where they write down these little extras and special amenities for you once again. Suite upgrades are definitely available. Wow! So if they have it available, there's an upgrade. That's why it's always good to come to this Coconut Ritz-Carlton starting at 4 p.m., not earlier. So, even a little later would be better, because yes, when other Ritz-Carlton members check out, usually around 4 p.m., they need an hour to clean up. So essentially, it is preferable to arrive here around 5 or 5:30, then you can obtain the rifle so that you truly possess a in-suite you get. And I mean, I'm here in suite. Well done. Double glazed windows, you can barely hear traffic on street. And from my perspective, I think that's a pretty successful thing. A young team which checks you in here, that was fine. And even if you come here, I mean, this is a really upscale area here. So here, the top rich people were really gathered. Overall, so you also have a kind of nightlife around the corner here. I've been here for 2 nights, so I'm pretty relaxed from that perspective. So you can simply relax and observe it. And I have, yes, included breakfast. That was a slightly additional fee. Ended up cheaper in the long run than if booked without breakfast. So booked with breakfast. Sometimes things like that. Just examining the various rates at Bonvoy in the Marriott booking history occasionally. Sometimes it's cheaper to book this than the other. Occasionally it's still possible to earn points, so you can even earn half the points, let's say, with points. Stay 2 nights, get 1 night free and 1 night with points, always the best deal. I prefer doing that. Currently, I really want to have a night out, pay for a night in full, and then you just get the best deal somehow. So that's the most fun, yeah. So, like I said, it's a young crowd, mostly business people. And the area here is pretty fancy, like Mickey's. So you should definitely dress up a bit. So this is not just a vacation area. And in addition, there is also the resident who lives next door, and you simply use the facilities from the residence. Guys, you should definitely join in. The pool there is pretty nice, nothing out of the ordinary. Breakfast is nothing out of the ordinary. It's just so classically American. That's always relative, I'm generally not a breakfast person, but some people have told me that they enjoy having breakfast at the hotel. I can't quite understand it because the quality is neither verifiable nor visible. Sometimes when in Dubai, you often find yourself saying, oh, that looks really good. But in these breakfasts here, like in US hotels, it's hard to understand. Well, I often have the feeling that it's some kind of, like a discount stuff. Well, terrible. Well, they buy everything in bulk, The room is clean. I got a little care package with all sorts of fresh stuff. I like that. Attention from Danny. Yeah, Danny went and put that thing over there for me. I think that's great. So here as an ambassador, you get a little bit of a bonus. So this is one of the Ritz cards where you don't have quite as great of a benefit as in Tokyo, but still a little bonus. And where you can say, here you could also stay for 2 or 3 nights because you have an upgrade and maybe you have made a reservation for a bike with breakfast. There's not much to say about this Ritz-Carlton Coconut Grove. It's got a gym, it's got a pool, so you can go for a little swim. There's a pool bar, so you can play chess here with the big pieces. If you find someone to play with, it might be interesting. But otherwise, you genuinely book solely for business purposes at this venue. It's not a big deal that you announce and say, wow, here you simply look at the rate and say, cheap rate, then I make a reservation here because it's well equipped, with great beds, of course. That's obvious and goes without saying. That's the Ritz card spreader. They already stick to that for the most part. There are very few exceptions where that's just ancient. This here, the house, is also a bit older. I didn't ask how old, but you can already tell from obvious things. However, people here are attentive. Housekeeping is working. I'd book that again. So if my Biscayne is fully booked, I'd definitely book here as a temporary solution. Now we're going on a room tour. Enjoy!
I am in love, and it's my fault. Sometimes I feel that I'm dreaming when I can't feel you so close. You're in my head, dirt on my thoughts. I wanna stay calm until I can get your love. I am in love, and it's my fault. Sometimes I feel that I'm dreaming when I can't feel you so close. You're in my head, dirt on my thoughts. I wanna stay calm until I can get your love. all the time. Why don't you pick up your phone? Baby, I just wanna say hi. Why don't you see me? I'm here, waiting for you all the time. I don't know how I got into this, but I know I want you right here. Is this love? Oh, please let me know, 'cause I'm waiting for you. I don't know how I got into this, but I know I want you right here. Is this love? Oh, please let me know, 'cause I'm waiting for you. I don't know how I got into this, but I know I want you right here. Is this love? Oh, please let me know, 'cause I'm waiting for you. I don't know how I got into this, but I know I want you right here. Is this love? Oh, please let me know, 'cause I'm waiting for you.
Where are you? Tell me where you go, it's not good. Be without your love, but I'm fine. And now we try to set that in my mind. Wherever I go in my dreams, when I lay in my bed, we can get you out of there. I just wanna make you feel special, but I know you don't want me 'cause I know your type is alright. Well, I'm dying inside. Yeah. I just wanna make you feel special, but I know you don't want me 'cause I know your type is alright. Well, I'm dying inside.
Sexy.